Hello students, this video lecture is for class 8th, subject science, lesson 1st and part 8th. And in this video we are going to talk about apiculture, also known as beekeeping. So let's start. Apiculture or beekeeping is the rearing and management of honeybees for the production of honey and wax. Honeybee can be easily domesticated because of its apial nature. Like all other insects, it has two pairs of wings and three pairs of legs. It is a social insect, and honeybees live in the nest called hive or comb. These beehives are seen hanging from branches, deserted buildings, and overhead tanks. Honeybees are also reared in boxes called apiaries. Bees make hives on frames provided in the box. All activities of the bees are restricted to the box. So now let's see life cycle of honeybee. Transformation of eggs into adult honeybee is called metamorphosis. The complete metamorphosis is made up of four stages, that is egg, larva, pupa and adult. The queen bee lays eggs in each cell of the comb. Egg hatches into larva after 3 days. The larval stage lasts for 6 days. Then the larva changes into a pupa. The pupa takes 7 days to become an adult. Now next move to the next page. Depending upon function, there are three types of adults in a hive. These are first queen, second drones or male insects, and third workers. And here is the image of the all three types. First drone, second queen and third worker. Now let's see what's honey. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and make honey, which is then extracted from beehives by using an extractor. It is stored in clean, airtight bottle. Many times it is adulterated with sugar or gold. It can be tested by a simple test. Now to test whether the honey is pure or not, let's see how to test. Test for purity of honey. Take a glass of water, add a few drops of honey to it. If the drops form continuous threads of honey, it is a pure honey. Impure honey will not form thread and would dissolve in water. So this is the way in which you can test the purity of a honey. Now last two paragraphs are about taking care of the shelter animals. First, animals too need proper care and shelter for animals, especially cows and buffaloes. In fact, it is a must for their health and for production of clean milk. Both cows and buffaloes need regular brushing to remove dirt and loose hair. They should be sheltered under roofed shed that protects them from rain, heat, direct sunlight and cold. The floor of the shed should be sloping for easy cleaning and keeping it dry. Shelter should have a feeding passage and feeding trough. It should also have proper ventilation. So these are the conditions in which you should keep the sheltered animals. And next paragraph we are going to see how to take care if they have any diseases. You already know about parasitic and infectious diseases of animals. To prevent animals from falling ill, the following safeguards should be taken. The animals should be kept in good shelters. This reduces the risk of diseases. They should be provided nutritive food and clean drinking water. They should get regular bathing. Sick animals should be isolated from other animals. Vaccines should be given to the animals to immunize them against certain diseases. Some diseases caused by external parasites can be controlled by the application of dilute insecticide solution. The rats should be kept away from the shelters. So these are the ways in which you can protect or ensure safety of your animals in from diseases. So in the next chapter we are going to complete the question answers of this first lesson. Thank you.